Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, March the 9th, 2017. And today in our Tech News Update, we have a malware on Android devices that's spreading. And it is actually a malware that you get through the store. It is disguised as a video or a YouTube download app, and basically there's like two or three variants of it through the store. And what it does is simply actually display ads and say, hey, you got to give me 5-star rating if you want this to be removed. And so a lot of people are really kind of annoyed at this. And apparently it's not the first time that this happens through the Google store. So basically this is what they are trying to do, is to lure you to give a really high star rating, and that's pretty much it. So just avoid these YouTube download apps. I don't know, there's a lot of them that are really bad, so be careful with what you do and how you download, because you never know what could happen. IBM and Swiss scientists actually found a way to store data on a single atom, and it could revolutionize, yeah, I'm going to say it, revolutionize hard drive storage. And so basically, they've actually been able to do a single atom that is stable enough and that keeps the magnetic traits of its state, basically. So they are going to be able to do hard drives with single atom. That is a huge thing, because suddenly I see not just terabyte drives, but you know like 1,000 terabyte drives easily done with this new way of doing things. It's amazing. We can now actually take each single atom and do something with it. It's just amazing. Well, Google says the majority of the CIA hacks that they found against Android, Play Store, and Google Chrome browser have already been fixed by Google. So they say that most of what they see in the list isn't dangerous to users, and that they're waiting to get even more, because apparently there will be more leaks of CIA hacks. So we'll see if these actually are worth spending time talking about them, because yesterday was Apple that said nope, the majority of those are already fixed, and now it's Google that says the same thing. Well, using artificial intelligence and machine learning, Google says that they can now recognize objects in videos, and they will be trying to implement this on YouTube. So, for example, if you're looking at videos where there's, I don't know, say pineapples, you'll be able to actually search eventually, not now, eventually, YouTube, and just type pineapples. In every video that there's a pineapple in it, in some part of the video, will actually show up. Kind of a very interesting idea here. And one of the hardest things on YouTube, and basically anything that has videos, is search. Trying to find out exactly what these videos contain, in order for them to basically be able to be searched easily. So that promises really an amazing thing of recognizing all sorts of objects inside of videos while we're searching. And talking about machine learning, artificial intelligence, we are learning that Microsoft and Facebook are both working on each of their ends, separate projects, basically, of looking at how artificial intelligence will improve servers, make them much faster, and basically make not only faster requests, but also maybe help have more connections per server to ask for tasks, because that would actually make servers much faster. They say that artificial intelligence actually could simply check the data and make it more efficient, so it would be much faster. So interesting, artificial intelligence. A lot of it is in the news once again this year, and I think it's really coming of age now. And finally, Uber had been kind of, they were doing self-driving cars tests in California until California said, well, you need a permit for that. And Uber said, well, we don't need a permit for a self-driving car. And California said, yeah, you do need a permit for a self-driving car. So they stopped. And now, finally, California has issued permits to Uber to test self-driving cars. So we'll see what happens with that. And it's kind of interesting that, I think they do want to have driverless cars at some point. So this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, March the 9th, 2017. Hey, today is From the Couch Show at 4 p.m. Eastern, 2100 hours Universal Time. Hope you can join us. We also will have in our retro gaming channel a Atari 1040 ST retro gaming night tonight at 7:30 p.m. That is 0:30 Universal Time. So hope you can join us in the fun of these old retro games and computers on the retro gaming channel. So if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and hope that you will continue following us on this channel. Thank you for watching.